So when you think about, when you call Fairway Exteriors looking for new windows, a couple things happen. So one will come out generally within 48 hours, talk about giving you an itemized detail quote. We'll sit down for 15, 20 minutes. We'll understand what windows you have today, what do you like, what don't you like, what's your vision, are we changing color and styles, are we changing openings? We'll talk through sometimes, because of building codes, we have to temper some glass or do some different things for openings and bedrooms. We'll definitely talk about all that. We'll get you a detailed itemized quote within about 48 hours. The ball's in your court, take as much time as you want. A lot of times we'll go back out there and we'll bring samples of the windows, we'll get into more detail, we'll talk through, is there worth some upgrades? We'll talk through design styles and colors, we can show you renderings of what your house looks like. If you decide you want to move forward, we'll do one more kind of final measure to make sure we have all the proper window sizes. From there, we order the windows from our manufacturer, they confirm it, and then we all check one more time to make sure that we didn't request a 36 by 50 window, but they accidentally sent us a 50 by 36. So the biggest time we have issues with windows, it's just human error. So we try to triple check everything there to make sure that when we come out to install the windows, all the windows are perfect and there's no reason for us to have to come back out again. We're gonna remove we're gonna move all the furniture away from kind of the existing open. You don't have to worry about anything. You have a desk, we'll move it. You have blinds, we'll remove them. There's nothing you have to do there. We'll remove that stuff. We'll safely remove the window. We'll check for wood rot. We're gonna tape the opening, we're gonna foam, we're gonna caulk, we're gonna install the window. If it's a replacement window, that's all we're gonna do on the inside. Then we're basically gonna clean up and move back that furniture. If we're doing a full tear or like more of like a new construction type install, we'll be installing new trim on the inside and painting it. So it just depends on what the homeowner wants and what we're doing and what the type of window and kind of the needs are. If we're installing vinyl replacement windows on a ranch, we could probably install 12 windows a day. If we're installing high-end Marvin Ultimate, high character windows, that have a ton of detail, we're doing all new interior trim, we might do 4 or 5 windows a day. And so it really just depends on how many windows you have, how big is your house, is it a ranch or is it a 2-story, what kind of weather. We obviously move a little bit quicker in, March than we necessarily do in, July when it's 110 degrees. And so, but for the most part, most window jobs take about 2 to 3 days. A lot of people say, hey, how long is it gonna take? So the two things that take the longest are the homeowner kind of waiting, deciding to make a decision, and then the window shipping to us. If we meet on a Monday and you decide on Thursday you wanna go with us, we'll do a final measure on Friday, we'll order the windows. Vinyl windows take 4 to 6 weeks. Wood and fiberglass are gonna take 8 to 10 weeks. And then it's our goal to get the windows installed within 7 days of them arriving. So you could look anywhere from, once you say yes on the quote, it's anywhere from, 5 to 8 weeks on vinyl, and then you're basically looking at 8 to 10 weeks on fiberglass or wood.